Hey everyone, it's Neil, and today I have this. Check it out. It's a handheld garment steamer. So we're gonna give this thing an unboxing. It's the MW801 handheld garment steamer. So let's give this thing an unboxing and check it out and see how it works. Sorry, I'm ducking down here. I don't have a tripod today, so I have it leaned up on something. So let's open up the box here. It comes with some cardboard. Oh, and here is all the stuff. Let's just dump it all out and see what we got. So the box is empty at this point. So we've got I'll move that over, a handy dandy carrying case. So if we go on a trip, we can just stick it in here and take it. Nice little velvet case, big enough to stick the whole thing in. Not form fitted, it's just a big square one. Then we have I guess this is some sort of like an ironing board-ish kind of looking thing. Let's see. I'm gonna have to read some instructions for this one, see what the different parts are. It is an ironing glove. So that's an ironing glove. So I guess you can wear this to iron stuff to hold on the other side of the garment as you're steaming it. Very cool. And then we have a couple of different brushes here. This one here is a lint brush. So if you're steaming stuff and you need a lint brush, maybe if you're doing some curtains or something like that, that would be useful for that. And then we have a fabric brush. So if you're doing some fabric, you would use that one. So let's check this thing out and see how it works. It is a single piece unit here. And so this is it. You can see right there. It's got a pretty decently long extension cord. Got the button on the back there. You can see that to make it go. And then you've got the little button here to make it steam, I guess. And a little, if you push it down, it locks it in place. So that's nice. And then here we can open up the little chamber for filling it with water. Very cool, pretty self-explanatory and easy to use. We're gonna try this thing out and see how long it takes to steam something. So here, I opened up the cord. I'm gonna tell you the cord is 6 feet, I'm guessing, because I'm about 5 feet and this is 6 feet. So we'll plug this in and let's fill this thing up with water. So I can see that it goes right there. Okay, we are full of water. And there, I put it in. And now I have the button on the back, so it'll say low, medium, and high. Oh, maybe you can't see because all the lighter's in the way. Low, medium, high. So I'll just push it. And there we are on, oh, I don't know. I think it's changing colors. I don't know what the different colors are. I'm colorblind, so I can't tell. But hopefully y'all can. So it should be heating up now, I'm guessing. And, oh, when I push, there we go. I push the button and steam is coming out. That is a lot of steam. You can see that there. I'm not sure which. Oh, I guess this is high. That's medium and low. So there we go, that's the difference. So I have it on, I have it set so it's on the on button, where if I take it off, it'll probably stop here in a second. Very cool. And then you can snap on the different clips here. Ooh, it's hot. So let's see. So there. And there you can steam stuff. So if I was steaming something, ooh, it's making it wet and hot. So you look, if I'm doing it this way, putting that crease in there, steaming a crease into it. Very cool. So that's how it works though, basically. So you get the idea. So, cool. I like it, thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you can see it works pretty good. It's definitely putting out steam, so if you need a steamer, pick this one up here, and then if I unplug it, it'll turn everything off, I'm guessing. Everything's off, and there, no more steam. So, like this video, and pick one of these up. Let's see, does it have a brand on it? I don't know. Possibly not, but I'll put the link in the description so you guys can see what it is. It's really cool, nice and convenient and handy, and it'll fit in the bag, so I like it.